Hello, friends! We're so happy you're here today. This is a special place where friendly animals live, play, and help the farmers every day. We'll meet cows that go moo, horses that gallop, ducks that love water, and even a silly llama. Can you guess who says oink oink or who wakes everyone up in the morning? Let's find out together. Put on your farmer hat and get ready to explore. Are you ready? Let's go! Cow. This is a cow. She says moo. Cows give us yummy milk for cheese and yogurt. They have 4 stomachs to help them digest grass. Horse. The horse says neigh. Horses can run fast and pull carts. They sleep standing up most of the time. Rooster. He says cock-a-doodle-doo. Roosters wake up the farm each morning. Did you know? A rooster's crow can be heard up to 1 mile away. Sheep. The sheep says, bye! She has soft wool we use for clothes. Sheep have good memories and can recognize faces. Pig. The pig says, oink oink. Pigs love rolling in mud to stay cool. They are very smart, even smarter than dogs. Donkey. The donkey says, hee-haw. Donkeys are strong and carry heavy things. They have great hearing and can hear sounds from far away. Goat. The goat says, meh. Goats give us tasty milk. They have rectangular pupils, which help them see all around. Bull. This is a bull. The boy cow. He says moo with a deeper voice. Bulls use their horns to protect the herd. Llama. This is a llama. She makes humming or snorting sounds. Llamas are fluffy and live in mountains. They have very soft feet, perfect for walking on rocky ground. Dog. The dog says, woof, woof. Dogs help protect the farm and herd sheep. They can learn many tricks and love to play fetch. Cat. The cat says, meow. Cats chase mice and nap in the sun. They purr when they feel happy and safe.